Hi, my name is Brian Diaz. I am a student of Licenciatura en Español Inglés. In this video, I am going to explain how you can open using Kahoot. Mm, First, you click here. After them, you write Kahoot, and you click here. This is a website of Kahoot. In this moment, you click here. Right. If you don't have an account, mm, do you need create one account? This in this moment, you you want use a Kahoot, then a teacher. After sign up with email and okay. After them, you click in login and your username. After you write your password. Okay, as I already have one account, I click here. It's okay. That's okay. This is my Kahoot account. In this part, you have anything options. For example, my Kahoots. My Kahoots, I have two Kahoots, and that's okay. For example, you have a new Kahoot, and you click in this part, and you have four options: quiz, jumble, discussion, and survey. Jumble is organize a sentence. Quiz is I don't know, answering questions, and that's it. You click a quiz. That's okay. Why now? Mm, Zero. I don't know. Okay, when I traveled from Brazil, I have to speak with Brazil. Eh? Let's see. Brazil. Descriptions. Places. Places. Only no everyone in English. School. Okay, in this part, you you click here and you have image. For example, I choose this image. In this part, you can I don't know. You can use a video, for example, a Brazil video. Okay, go. In this moment, you You can create anything questions. For example, where is the instrumento? And time limit, I don't know, 15 seconds. Answer one. Mm, Rio de Janeiro is the correct answer. And Paraná and that's it. In this part, you you can um, you can upload this image, for example. Let's see, and you upload this image. Let's see. Okay. Next. Okay. And you can create so much questions, and after you finish you click save. In this moment you can play it Kahoot or share it. This is finish tutorial by sorry, in this moment play it. For example, mm, you click in classic, and for example you going to Google and you write Kahoot. Let's say in Kahoot this is a pin game. Yep, your name, and that's it. Okay, start. This is a question, and Nicola OQ is a question and answers. Congratulations. Bye.